Hello guys, eto na nga ulit ang paring hero nyo. Namiss nyo ba ako? Namiss ko din kayo eh. Today, samahan nyo ako sa field trip namin with my GMC friends. Okay, let's do this! Okay guys, time check. 5:20 AM na sa bus na tayo. Inagahan nga talaga naman kaya dito na ako natulog. Wala pang tao sa bus, kami pa lang. Ayan, 6 AM na, nagdadatingan na sila. Alam nyo ba guys, full board meals ang baon namin. Sarap ng kain ko oh. Ang siya nga ng friends ko, may bago kaming jacket. Tingnan mo, pare-pareho kami. By the way,
GMC
stands for Game Mode Club. These are my friends. This is Dylan nga pala guys. Ito nga pala si Timmy, aka Eminem. Okay guys, nandito na tayo sa first location, Museo El Deposito. Si Sir Dave nga pala ang aming poging tour guide. Ito nga pala si Zyler, ang opa sa amin. Hindi yung statue ha. Si Zyler yung yung tao. Ito guys, may konting paalala ang ating pulis.
911 wapit na kita dito kids, no? Hindi lang sa US, 911 sila sa US, meron 911 sa Pilipinas. Any emergencies, fire incident, no? Traffic accident, vehicular accident, okay, kaya crime related, pwede tayong tumawag 911 kahit walang load yung cellphone. Okay, sasagot. For your own safety and security, no? Okay, pag may emergency, ang tatawagan? 911, yes. Water system.
Okay guys, start na tayo sa tour.
Here in Manila. So the El Deposito can hold up to 15 million gallons of water from San Mateo Marikina River to supply a reliable and clean water to Manila. Okay?
So ito ang history ng Carriedo Fountain. Here you can see the clone model of the fountain. Ito ang example ng filter nila noon. Here is the model of one of the fighting ships noon, and it's named after Sierra Madre, the defender of West Philippine Sea. Ito naman yung mga helmet ng soldiers noon. And here you can see the empty bullets. Hala, may pa-underground sila. So, ito na nga yun guys. This is the underground water reservoir. Okay guys, tapos na nga ang first IT namin. Okay guys, kumain na ba kayo? Kasi kami kakain na. Nandito kami sa Baywalk. Ang init. Dahil mainit, mag-ice cream muna tayo. Bumili nga pala ako ng shower strips. Sobrang haba. Mag-share kami ng mga friends namin. So guys, last stop, Philippine Biodome. First animal nakakatakot agad. Crocodile. Natatakot kami, hindi namin alam kung bakit.
Okay, come on. Not even scary. Harod, nakakatakot.
Ang cute ng tail ng mga goldfish. So guys, these are pelican birds. May expandable pouch sila sa mouth nila to starfish na nahuhuli nila. At eto, hindi sila swan, goose sila. Kasi mas malaki yung swan sa goose at mas short ang neck nila. These are scarlet ibis. Kamukha silang maliit na flamingo. This is an orange iguana. And this is the green one. These birds are called sankanur, aka maliit na parrot. Okay guys, shopping pala kami ng mga souvenirs with Clark. Pero kaso nga lang, wala kaming pera. Bili ng mami ko. Isipin ko muna bago kong bilhin. Kung hindi ko naman gagamitin o tatambak ko lang. Wow, ang ganda naman ng aquarium mo. Ang lalaki ng isda. Dito lang yan sa Ocean Park, Manila. Punta kayo guys ha. This is called sulcata tortoise. In short, malaking pagong. This big white bird is called spoonbill. Tingnan nyo yung bibig niya, shape ng spoon. Have you ever saw a Philippine eagle before? Dito, mahahawakan niya pa sila. This is a otter. Ang cute nila, no? Kumukha silang mga maliit na daga. Eto guys, nandito na tayo sa Python. I'm so lucky. Di ako takot. Ay, natatakot na ako. Ayoko na. Kasi Clark, tinatakot ko. So, doon na naman tayo sa mga malaking rabbit.
This is crunchy. But they're making it crunchy. They're breathing. This is where we get them. They're breathing. What do you think? What? Wala ka bantay.
Hi, parang pamilyar ka. Ayun, ganyan yung mata ng mama ko kung nag-aaral kami. Aray ko po, kokak, kokak.
Bro, he's winking at me. No, he's winking at me. Wink. 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 That is kind of cool. Ooh. Wink, bro. Wink. Bro, parang ko that. The Philippine can be like, bro, look at the camera. Look at the camera. Look how good he is. Wow, it's so cute. Look, that's a Korean seal. Bro, it's so expensive. That seal is so expensive. It's a Korean seal. Oh, it looks so cute. You know why it's cute? Because it's a Korean seal. It's a Korean seal, bro. So fast. Bro, it's so cute. It's the Korean. Oh! No way. Bro, do you know how much is it? 1 million. 1 million. The Korean cost million.
Okay guys, manood na tayo ng video.
Today we have some positive breakthrough to the field. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn more about physical volatiles as we bring about progression. So without further ado, let's dive into the world of volatiles. So guys, today I have with me a that's not a very strong creature dinosaur, the great iguana. Sa Latin name is iguana. They are variation of common iguana with red body, green belly, brown skin spot over the back. This possibly includes a black spotted tail, usual selfies, and sizes ranging from about 2 to 6 feet. Pero naman ako lang sa talagang discovering or identify danger from the living. Every voice by nature, they survive the first, reach the walls, instead, and adapt to others, make the next
guys, patapos na tayo. Selfie na lang ako ng mga animals. Sana na-enjoy niyo yung video ko. Ay di ka, tatakotin ko si Sachi. Okay guys, ang dami natin ginawa ng araw na to. Nagutom ako. Okay guys, next video ulit. Thank you for watching.